have to throw it into him. He's not a big fan of coming over. He's kind of a big scaredy deer.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. I've tried for the past I don't know how many boards.
Alright, baby. I'm gonna put you down for a little bit. My shoulders are starting to think.
I'm gonna give it to the one.
Ethan, do you want to feed the animals? Do you feed the animals? Go get something.
You want to try?
What do you want to pick?
Oh, I want to pick. I want to pick. Oh,
say thank you.
Ethan, feed the deer.
Max, did you say thank you?
Come here.
Because they can fit this one.
I accidentally.
You hit the turkey. Oh, you guys are killing me. Do I have to call the vets in?
Do you want to feed more?
I don't think giving one.
Here, get an apple.
I got 2 pieces left.
Ooh. Say thank you.
I have to say, I am jealous of bare feet right now.
Ethan, stick your hand through. Right here.
It would work on most of the exhibits. Couldn't do that in the porcupine though. No, we can't give him that. It's empty now. We fed it all to him. Now
I like Thanksgiving.
Oh, he's coming over.
you like the Thanksgiving turkeys better.
Oh, we don't have any more.
Pick it up. You can pick it up.
Yep.
Hey,
So we ordered 16
Malik,
turkeys, and most of the time they don't always make it. It's just fact of life.
Yeah.
I'll be darned if all 16. We had all 16 turkeys survive. They grew up, and so then we were kind of left with. We don't have enough room on the exhibit for all 16, so what do you do? And then we were joking around, oh, now everybody gets Thanksgiving this year. On the zoo, but we sent them to other zoos.
Oh, look.
Just share with everybody. There you go.
Mine's still sitting over there.
But yeah, we go over to the Hershey Medical Center.
Throw it at the gate.
And we get a lot of rodents. They have a little lab there then too, but then we'll also pick up things like amputated hands and feet. And kind of, I'm kidding. No, we don't get that either.
I'm seeing a pattern here.
We gotta have fun too. So,
I think that's alright.
but no, we
I
get.
mine smelling like a little bit of meat.
That is the 5-minute warning for Hersheypark of opening.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, security. We have new radios, and now the security call is like real loud.
Look at it right here. Look, they're
It's
waiting.
very alarming.
Throw, baby. Throw it in. I'm right here. Throw it.
I know, right?
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, but we still gotta share with everybody. Though.
No, so I'm from Canton.
Okay, don't get the fish on me then.
We split it up between them. One of our main goals is to make sure that all of our animals are getting a good bit of food and that they're all getting controlled amounts.
So it's like a half hour from here. So.
You're okay. Are you going to throw it?
I just graduated. I did zoo science. Major.
All right. Now, if you guys take your glove, grab right here and pull it off inside out, like you're pulling off your sock at the end of the day.
I went to
Keeps all the ooey gooey stuff.
Delaware Valley.
Good job,
That's
baby.
okay. Here, I'll take your gloves though.
Mmm.
My hand has marker on it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Some people
It's not just chilling. I'll pick that one up.
So,
Feeding the wolves. Say cheese.
Huh?
I said no.
Yeah, seriously. That would not be the most pleasant.
Oh, he's going potty. Let me just get away from the privacy.
it's a good.
We have many
Here,
geese living
take
here
your thing
at the
and
zoo.
pull it off. There you go. You got it.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna get a kiss, Mason?
Yeah, and it's great. These two,
it was to give you a kiss.
moms, and a lot of first-time moms don't
Yeah.
know how to take care of, they don't know what they're doing, so it doesn't always end up going super well. But these two, they did very well with their babies, but they're pretty coarse. They're real like thick.
Almost like a bristly broom.
Yeah, and they have a pretty interesting odor to them. I think it's like a burnt citrus kind of. Yeah, it's unique, but I don't mind it. It just stays with you for a long time.
I don't see the other two youngsters.
How old is they? I mean, they usually.
Yeah, they're usually over at those trees. But actually at 10:30,
What was that?
that mountain lion's living. They actually they warn you never go anywhere by yourself. If you go on trail rides or hiking or anything like that, you never go by yourself because these guys are ambush predators. You'll never see them coming. And that yellow pole that you guys used to climb over, that's how high a mountain lion can jump.
The whole pole?
The whole thing.
From
About 18 feet high.
Does that make sense with that
down
target?
or from down
Yeah.
up?
I mean, if you think of like house cats, they can jump up pretty high, so
Yeah.
proportionate to their size, and they've got a lot more strength. They
Yeah, I
can
can
just
believe
spring right on up.
There's a really important reason why there's a box on the, or there's a lid on the box.
Exactly.
It's because they could come out. So, all right, guys. So we have two mountain lions. This is Rosa.
Slow down, slow
She's
down.
from California. She was actually abandoned in one of the California wildfires.
Wow.
And then over here, this is Ray or Rainier. He was found just kind of wandered up onto somebody's porch over in Spokane, Washington. And he was just a small cub. He was dehydrated, malnourished. So they couldn't find mom anywhere. So unfortunately, he had to spend the rest of his life here in captivity. We hand raised him the rest of the way from just a very young cub, which is why he's a little bit more relaxed around us. Rosa, she came straight out of that wild. She was a little bit older. And is not always the most happy. Kind of cranky. So, all right. We'll start with you first, Carrie. Good to go. So whenever you guys feed them,
Malik, back up.
what you're going to do is you're going to take the little 4 sets of tongs.
They literally said back
Come here and stand in line.
Yep. And you grab a piece. We'll help you out with that. This is mouse. And then you're going to hang on to it. You're just basically going to put it into that fence. But hang on to this. Do not let her take that away from you, okay? You just hand it in.
That's
So
his head.
I tell you what, let me show you how we're going to do it first. Okay? Just take it, put it right in. Don't go the whole way. You know, don't go in right up to your fingers, okay? We're just going to keep your fingers away. And then she'll take it right from you, okay? So.
Easoon, you're not even going to do it.
Oh my god.
You want to do Ray? Okay, now just remember, you got to keep.
Well, that's not one mouse.
Gotta hang
That's
on to
multiple
it.
mouse heads.
Oh yeah, the couple of mice cut up into little tiny pieces.
I'm not. I don't care. Hey, stop. I want to see it. Check you go.
Careful.
Check is gonna be there to help. It's so disgusting.
So you can do either Ray
They
or
like eating it.
Rosa. It's up to you.
Yeah, this is just a treat for them. So if one gets more pieces than the
Someone
other,
has to feed Ray.
you're not gonna be hungry or go hungry.
fed Ray.
Yeah,
You gotta go the whole way in, man. There you go.
Ray wants some food. Do Ray, come on.
Someone do Ray.
Ray's like, yo, give me some food right there.
Do Ray, you gotta
Killed it again.
squeeze it. There
You got it, you got it. It's like chopstick.
Do Ray, come on. Ray.
Ray!
You gotta feed Ray.
You gotta put it in the whole way. There
There
you
you
go.
go. Ray's fine. Yeah, look at Ray. He's so ridiculous.
He really wants it.
Who are you going
We're
to
gonna
feed,
give the
Kiki?
next one to Ray.
That's nice.
Ray.
Ray.
If you wanna come like right here, you'll be able to see him. Not
Oh,
you.
I just didn't know if you were looking
Go
at
ahead,
me.
Kiki. Aw, he said hi. Kiki, go a little
That was
closer.
her. That was Rosa.
Yeah, Rosa's not quite as keen about people, so she hisses and
Gotta keep going all the way in. All the way in.
Go, Kiki.
wasn't.
A little more, Kiki.
Let me push it in.
You gotta put it in there. You dropped it. You gotta hang on to it kind of tight. So
Come on, Ray's hungry.
now put it into the fence.
Inside, Kiki.
Keep going. Keep it.
Yay! Good job, Kiki.
Good job.
Good job.